Picture this: sunrise over a crocodile farm that's basically Fort Knox for exotic leather. Solar panels, water filtration systems, sustainability certifications. This is where luxury begins. Every croc gets VIP treatment from day one. Incubators with AI monitoring, temperature control down to 0.1 degrees, 94% hatch rate. Each baby gets individual tanks and RFID tags with blockchain verification. No cap, this operation is next level insane. Quality control is absolutely bonkers. Veterinarians examine every crocodile like prepping for surgery. Skin grade, premium A only. The inspector does a 360 orbit, checking those 32 rows of rectangular belly scales. One imperfection? Next. Then comes RFID tagging. Each croc gets a digital passport. Farm origin, hatch date, blockchain ID, complete traceability from birth. This level of scrutiny separates premium from mediocre. Transportation is straight fire. Climate-controlled trucks with individual padded compartments, GPS tracking, internal cameras monitoring every croc. The facility entrance looks like a Pentagon biosecurity checkpoint. CITES officers verify permits. Veterinary inspectors check welfare. Security scans every document. Workers in white hazmat suits, face shields, the whole 9 yards. This isn't just moving animals. It's a military-grade operation with zero shortcuts. Inside the processing facility, skilled workers separate premium skins, carefully preserving those valuable belly sections with 32 rectangular scale rows. Every container gets labeled with detailed info: age, grade, scale count, CITES permit, blockchain ID. Then into quarantine, where veterinarians examine samples under microscopes. Cold storage maintains exactly 6 degrees Celsius, 70% humidity. Robotic arms handle everything, while CITES inventory tracking stays active 24/7. The sorting facility is where AI meets craftsmanship. Backlit tables, overhead cameras analyzing scales automatically, counting every single one. 32 rows uniform, grade A+ premium with 96% uniformity. Workers arrange skins onto labeled trays. Batch 14A, premium belly, CITES verified, blockchain active. Barcode scanners beep confirmation. Data uploads real-time to central database. Then trays move toward the pre-wash zone with red warning signs everywhere. Cleaning process is absolutely insane. Automated washing with enzymatic solutions targeting scale surfaces. High-pressure jets removing blood and tissue. Workers manually scrub between delicate rectangular scales with soft brushes under purified water. Industrial chambers with rotating spray nozzles hit from multiple angles. Then drying at 22 degrees, maintaining scale structure perfectly. They even test the wash water. pH 7.0 neutral, environmental compliance exceeded. Water recycling system recovers 88% through multiple filtration stages. That's sustainability meeting luxury. Rehydration station uses robotic arms, lowering baskets into temperature-controlled water at 18 degrees. Then comes the fleshing machine, rotating cylindrical brushes with specialized soft bristles, removing subcutaneous flesh while protecting those precious scales. High-pressure water jets assist from multiple angles. The skins move through final cleaning, water spraying between every scale, then arrange in flat, organized layers. Watching this automated choreography is oddly satisfying. Every movement is calculated, every process monitored. Scale preservation priority number 1. Pickling preparation is where chemistry gets serious. Acid-salt solution in massive stainless steel vessels. pH 2.5, 18 degrees Celsius. Skins on slowly rotating racks. Solution completely submerging everything. The screen reads pickling cycle active. 4 hours elapsed, 2 hours remaining. This opens up the fiber structure for chrome tanning. Then into blue-tinted chrome drums, tumbling for 10 hours straight. Workers scan barcodes at quality checkpoints. Batch verified. Chrome tanning complete. Grade A premium belly. 32 rows confirmed. Ready for shaving. The shaving room is next-level precision. Hydraulic platforms raise trays. Workers dump contents into rotating drums for exact thickness adjustment. Chemical control rooms look like NASA. Touchscreens operating multiple drums. Clear tubes feeding chrome blue for tanning. Fat liquor amber for softness. Dye stuff for color. Chemists monitor flow rates specifically calibrated for crocodile leather. Then comes absorption testing. Water droplets on scales, digital stopwatch timing. 5.2 seconds, optimal hydration level achieved. This attention to detail is off the charts. Thickness measurement uses electronic gauges on multiple points. Scale areas, between scales, edge sections. Display shows 1 millimeter, 1.2, 1.4. Computer creates detailed heat maps showing variation across the entire hide. Color matching happens under standardized D65 lighting with Pantone charts. 3 technicians monitor screens showing drum temperature, 42 degrees, pH, 3.5, rotation speed, chemical concentration. The drum hall stretches into the distance, a long line of rotating wooden barrels with blue chrome liquid visible. Screens reading, uniform penetration achieved. Sammying facility removes excess moisture through controlled compression, 58% optimal for the next process. The hall is massive, rows of machines extending into the distance, each processing leather while workers coordinate production flow. Neutralization sprays a fine mist, adjusting pH from 3.8 to 4.8. Dyeing uses automated spray machines with multiple nozzles, background screens showing color consistency and coverage uniformity across scales in real time. Then climate conditioning at 20 degrees, 65% humidity for 16 hours while fiber structure stabilizes. Staking machines use gentle vibrating pins designed specifically for scale preservation. Flexibility improves 27% while scale integrity stays 100%.
Tension looks good here.
Buffing follows with specialized soft rollers refining grain side finish. Controlled drying at 45 degrees for 8 hours in industrial ovens. Moisture analysis confirms 16 to 18%. Optimal range achieved. Workers stretch leather over metal frames with spring-loaded clips, ensuring rectangular scale patterns display evenly. Automated glazing with heated agate stone rollers makes surfaces glossy, scales more prominent through multiple stages. Laboratory inspectors examine with magnifying glasses. Tablets display, no damage detected, grade A premium. Tensile testing shows 245 newtons braking force, exceeds standards significantly. Color fastness testing rubs leather 50 cycles with white cloth, checking for transfer. 360 photography captures every angle on motorized turntables, multiple robotic cameras clicking rapidly. Then AI quality control analyzes high-resolution images, automatically detecting and marking defects with red circles. Screen displays 17 minor defects detected, grade B classification. Inspectors sort hides into grade A premium belly, grade B flank, grade C tail sections. Barcode scanners beep in rhythm as workers place leather into correct stations. Technology and human expertise in perfect sync. Workers strap black bins filled with stacked leather onto rolling carts, pushing past illuminated signs reading Cutting Area, Section 02. Robotic arms with advanced sensors inspect materials as carts roll on conveyors through hallways. Red laser systems scan dimensions and scale alignment while screens display running checklists. Design teams examine premium leather samples and technical sketches. 3D printers create miniature prototypes with scale texture simulation at 0.1 millimeter resolution. AI software optimizes pattern placement on virtual hides, material efficiency 94%, waste reduction 32%, serious cost savings per hide. Designers tap touchscreens approving final designs. Confirmation messages read, "Ready for cutting, production authorized." High-precision blue laser beams cut intricate patterns along marked lines, following between scale rows to avoid damage. The beam moves with micron-level accuracy while smoke extraction systems work efficiently. Robotic machines combine lasers for precision and rotating blades for speed. Workers sort cut panels at organized stations, sleeve front, sleeve back, front body, each labeled with scale quality metrics. Green skiving machines thin edges for seamless joining. Automated systems drop leather scraps into containers labeled Reuse Material, Recycling Program, Circular Economy Initiative. Industrial label printers create QR codes containing full traceability, origin farm, hatch date, processing date, quality grade, CITES permit number, blockchain ID. Workers apply labels precisely to pre-cut pieces, scanning each for verification. Quality inspectors brush leather clean, use digital calipers measuring scale dimensions, and enter data into tablets. Signs display, QC approved, batch CR147, scale count 32 rows verified. Automated sewing machines stitch leather with visible rectangular scale patterns. Displays show, assembly initiated, stitch count 2008-47. Seamstresses guide leather with expert precision, using heated presses to stamp edges. Tailors sew silk linings into jacket interiors with precision, carefully working around exterior scale texture. Skilled craftsmen remove securing needles and pins, inspecting rectangular scale alignment across all panels. When the master craftsman gives a confident thumbs up, that's pride in work done right. Workers sew decorative top stitching following marked guidelines along scale rows with contrasting thread. YKK zippers and metal buttons get installed with precise spacing between scales. Seam strength testing shows 280 newtons, well above standard exotic leather requirements. Tailors pin adjustments on mannequins, checking fit and symmetry. Authentication tags with holograms and CITES compliance labels get sewn into interior locations. Barcode scanners register products in traceability databases with confirmation beeps. Workers wearing white cotton gloves trim loose threads and buff rectangular scale surfaces with soft cloths, enhancing natural sheen. Conveyors move rows of jackets toward finishing. Monitors display batch CP70 to finishing, scale quality verified. Finishing specialists use conditioning sprays formulated for exotic leather. Steam cleaning systems refresh surfaces with precision sprayers. Robotic arms in stainless steel booths apply protective coatings. Monitors showing coverage and scale protection status in real time. Nano coating application is next-level tech. Robotic arms spray 3 layers of transparent coating, creating invisible water-repellent and stain-resistant barriers. Inspectors pour water onto treated surfaces. It beads and rolls off without penetrating between scales. Tablets record water resistance pass, contact angle 142 degrees. Thermal imaging cameras scan jackets systematically. Screens show uniform heat distribution, no hotspots detected. Controlled heat presses smooth specific areas while preserving scale definition. Conditioning machines stabilize leather properties in rotating drums. Final QC tablets display premium Crocodile-Leather ready for packaging. Professional studios capture every angle. Models rotate on motorized turntables, while photographers shoot high-resolution images highlighting scale, texture. Jackets display on white mannequins under carefully positioned lights. Workers use RFID applicator guns, embedding tracking chips into labels. Screens display RFID tag registered, traceability active, sites verified. Packaging specialists fold jackets with acid-free tissue, place them into luxury boxes with embossed logos, add care cards and authenticity.